being here. I'm Gustavo. I'm a geographer and also master in environmental science. And nowadays, I'm studying civil engineer, and I'm a member of NEAP that I'm going to talk a little bit more during the presentation. This is my work at the public university and the university extension, a study case of NEAP UFLA. This is our logo. Our study group is in agroecology, permaculture, and innovative university extension. But what is agroecology? Agroecology is an emergency science that studies agroecosystems, integrating knowledge from agronomy, ecology, economy, and the sociology. In this figure, we can see the approach of agroecology, that is environmental, social, and economic, and permaculture, that comes from permanent culture and consists in the elaboration, implantation, and maintenance of productive ecosystems that maintain the diversity, resilience, and stability of natural ecosystems, promoting energy, housing, and food in harmony with the environment. Permaculture is seen as a cycle, as you can see in the left figure. That is its symbol, and during this cycle, there is no discard in the system. Everything we use can be reused in different ways. And in the right figure, in the middle, we can see the three ethics of permaculture that are earth care, people care, and the fair share. And these ethics are followed by 12 principles. All of them works together, and no one is more important than the other. And when was NEAP created? NEAP was created in 2007 by Professor Jumar and a group of students and technicians. They started the activities based on the principles of extension from Paulo Freire. NEAP developed work in Africa, in the Democratic Republic of Congo and Mozambique. The project is Voices of Africa, and this project aims food security, agroecology practice, and support for family farming. This was a successful project that has won many prizes. This project has also started in Asia, in Afghanistan and Pakistan. It's called Voices of Asia. And nowadays, this is part of NEAP's members, and the NEAP's members are from different courses, since postgraduate or graduate courses, and we work with interdisciplinarity. That's why we have different courses that work together for a main goal. And what are the activities that we developed? There are lectures. Here you can see Professor Jumar and many other teachers that have worked with us. We have a training. Here we're seeing a training in seedlings, courses. In this course specific, it's the course Soil Selection for Construction with Earth and the Production of Adobe Bricks. This course, who was responsible for this course is our coordinator, that is Professor Andrea Correia. And its application was at first time in UFLA, and then we did it in a rural community. The Adobe Bricks is made of earth, and there is no burning, but you need to analyze the soil and see its properties, then produce the Adobe Bricks. And besides this bioconstruction technique, we also work with different techniques. Is the university extension. Last year, Professor Gilmar reunited 3 study groups and 1 NGO. The 3 study groups were NEAP, NEMENC, that is a study group in rabbit management and nutrition, NEL, that is a study group in vegetable farming, and the NGO, Engineers Without Borders. This group developed a socio-environmental action, and this project consists in planting agroecological lettuce using an organic compost and then exchanging the lettuce and the compost for recyclable materials. These materials were donated to an association responsible for recycling these materials. Another goal of this project was the spread of agroecology and the permaculture knowledge. The project happened last semester from August to December, every Sunday, in a central square of Lavras. Every study group involved worked in all the steps during the planning, divulgation, production of the compost and seedling, planting, harvest, and the exchange of the materials. And with this project, in the end, we received a positive feedback from the Lavras community, and we hope to keep on with this project in different places. We also had problems during the project because there were many people involved and they are from different areas, but we managed to solve the difference and everyone evolved. This project shows the importance of the university extension. Everyone involved learned something. The university left its academic place and reached the community. With actions like this, the students are going to be better people, citizens, and agents in order to help the society with university's knowledge and also learn from the population. It's the knowledge socialization. It's important to note too that we don't think that university is superior in knowledge. We believe in a horizontal learning because everybody has something to teach, no matter social class or academic degree. And as I said, it's horizontal, so local community also contributes to university as university contributes to local community. Everyone learns during this process. NEAP supports cooperativism. So we have a partnership with Incubacop, that is UFLA's technological incubator of popular cooperatives. This incubator works with solidarity economy, cooperatives, and the association. This incubator also works with extension and follows Paulo Freire's principles. So, to conclude, we would like to create a network with study groups that study the same subjects that we do, or even create other NEAPs in different countries. This way, each group would learn from each other. It would be possible to learn or adapt techniques for different climates, develop research, and experience different cultures. As Paulo Freire says, the conscious person has a different understanding of the story and its role in it, refuses to settle, so mobilize and organize to change the world. I'd like to thank ASAU for the opportunity again, Professor Gilmar and UFLA too, and we hope we go on with this project. This is my contact, my email, and here are some of the NEAP's social medias. Thank everyone for listening.